No way!
What?
Hey, down south ATV, best snorkels around. Yes, sir. We go under. All right, we got the submarine. All right, keep on. Hey, buddy. Hey, buddy. Stay on the boat. Hey, Josh, hop on the tube.
Yeah, I'm actually on the scooter.
Damn, look at this guy.
See all that?
What bike?
Oh, this is my buddy I was telling you about. There he is. This is fucking crazy.
This thing is sick, dude. I'm ready to hear it.
That's his old one.
His old one?
That's Anthony's old one.
Oh, yeah. Whose bike does BJ have? He bought some other one? BJ Jane? Whose foreman is that? BJ Jane. Looks like.
How far do they plan on going?
Oh, they went. It's a Honda. I'll keep going.
I get that, but
I don't know. I don't know how as far as I've ever seen someone ever go.
oh yeah.
Well,
Last time they
just
went
a
all
little
the way
bit
to
ago,
the
he
big
went to
trees.
that big patch of grass to the left.
Yeah.
That's where he went. They turned around.
They're able to turn around, or they went over there.
They turned around.
That's
You
turned
can
around.
stand there, huh? Probably.
All right, when they
They're pushing a dead bike.
Dude, imagine by yourself.
On the left.
Not your Honda.
Especially that,
That
piece of
thing.
shit. I think he gave him like $500 for it. Go get him, baby.
Go get him.
Honda down.
Hey, come watch this. Hey, what's this?
Just turned off.
Hey, grab on!
Give us 5 minutes.
I bet all the silver just sick.
We'll get it running here in a short
What'd you get, Davey? Big fat Luke.
oil. It runs off water.
Hook it up!
Hey, Luke. You think you can pick it up enough to... Joey, get on the front of that. You want me to lift it up? You gonna try to move it? Hell yeah, this bitch on a mega lift. Do it fast, Andrew. I'm gonna get shot. No, you're not. Where are we going in the middle? Where are we going in the middle? Oh, shit, bro. I'm starting to drop.
I don't know what he's doing. I think he's pulling the plug out.
I know, I'm saying. There's more ground out there. What the fuck are y'all doing?
See? Good thing we came out tonight than last night. This wouldn't happen.
Alright, that's good. Alright, take it out right there. Well, let's get it up the shore right there. Alright. Okay, I got some water in my mouth. 5 minutes into the run. I think I
bet.
on a dirty needle.
Not even 5 minutes.
It's a Honda, man. It gets bad down there.
For sale.
Oh, fuck.
He should be like, for sale?
For sale, never won't see water.
Anthony, how much? How much? The 2020.
Never seen water.
You just leave a wrench on it. You don't need to take it off. Just leave a socket on it.
impact right
Hey, someone grab a brick and
What, it just shut off or you flipped it?
Nah, it shut off.
Oh, really?
So next we need to snorkel the exhaust.
Yeah.
We gotta roll this.
I got some pipe, we can weld it like 6 foot high. So just sit there and purr.
cable back to battery.
I like how the radiator has full access to air.
I got jumper cable. I think.
Everybody just standing around. I'm the only one that gets lit the fuck up. Yeah, I think you
You want to tilt it?
might have blew a fucking fuse.
He saw me dip fluid shooting out the vent lines.
When that bitch shut off, I thought something fucking.
Yeah, one more time. One more time and run.
Oh,
Over there.
yeah, I'm a welder. Touch it to the backpack. Put your finger between it.
Hell yeah.
Come on, bitch. Shit.
Is it carb or fuel injected? Fuel injected?
Well, I got the hazards on. Yeah. Well, the hazards on.
Guys, turn the signal on.
Hey, man, I'm going left, bro.
I said turn the key off, turn it back on, see if it was set for.
Anybody drain the
I
airbox?
swear to God, there's so much oil coming out of the airbox.
Yeah, that doesn't matter, bro.
There's so much fucking oil coming out of the
We tried to
airbox.
drain some out earlier, but
All you need is air, fuel, and water.
Why it won't start? Ain't got no oil.
we got oil.
The sensor's saying.
Wait, let's do that real quick.
We got oil right here.
It's ran about oil.
We opened it up back there to flush it out, but
Above water?
It's gotta start.
It's got it.
It's coming. It's strong.
Think there's too much water still in the exhaust? No?
There's none in the airbox, right?
oh, there's a problem right there. That fucking thing came off. That's why it shut off.
The
We
secondary.
just need to reconnect that wire. We're good.
We're going back.
Hey, watch this.
Oh! Oh!
It's ready.
Oh!
She's going.
Splice that and throw it under that bolt. Y'all motherfuckers can splice all y'all want. I'm going to the truck. Hey, we gotta have the black kid, bro. No.
It's your formula,
You
man.
can take no, the hell it ain't.
You gotta have the Loch Ness Monster.
Shock the fuck out of you. Could have just shocked the shit out of me.
To the truck.
I was gonna run
Unless
round
they're
two.
invisible.
So this shit comes off and shorts it out. Lights max up. Oh yeah, we're gonna put a new spark plug in the dry box that gets wet. Well, duh. Deuces. There we go.
Hold on. There.
That's electrical.
Guys,
What the fuck? Bruh, I felt that shit in my fucking leg.
what was that?
She got shocked.
Through the water? Yeah, you can fuck with that.
As long as you're not touching the frame, you're not crowning yourself out.
I can feel it through my wiener.
He's got to bleep that out.
Wiener?
I shouldn't have to bleep that out.
Just put the dolphin noise like everybody else does.
You know, I still haven't figured out how they do that.
What? Wiener?
Hey, you all got the plug for the box?
Oh
That
It's right there.
It's full of water.
You want me to clean it out first?
Actually, you can just leave it off. It'll flush it out.
Should make it for about 4 seconds.
So, what does it feel like?
What?
What's happening right now?
Your
Been
wiener.
in love. Hey, Dawson,
Oh,
did you
yeah.
pay it off? You got insurance on
Oh,
it.
really? Lean on
Maybe
that.
Tussle's on my bike
I borrowed it for $500 with a blown out time machine on it.
Hey, let's
Let's drop it off at Route 1 and see what they do.
It has a clean title too. I can't believe it.
As is, what title?
It's a 13.
Bro, somebody's gonna touch that with their foot. and
Never
light
seen
it
water.
fuck
Ever.
up.
Cut the snorkel off.
Look
Then
good?
never.
Hell yeah.
Oh, let's get this bitch to the
seat weighs
ground.
70 pounds.
You guys fucked up my fishing. You know that? I was catching them before you got here.
Where's the plastic?
Oh, it was gone since yesterday.
It's right up by my front tire.
I was about to say bullshit.
Oh, Dad, I think it's my plastic.
That plastic
My
is worth
plastic's
Oh, I gotta resell this.
This is a customer's bike. Just taking out free test drive.
Don't ever drop your bike off. Pick it up the same day.
Here we go.
Come on.
Oh? Come on.
Here we go.
Yeah! No way! What the fuck?
It's standing straight up and it's not.
Don't go that way.
Yeah.
Whose hat is this?
God, bro.
That guy's
So what did you have to do to the bike to get it on from what I said?
Bro, it's right for
Off of
free.
it.
Not even a minute.
Bro, it's done. No, bro. It started sucking in water. Oh, we don't need that. Just the airbox. Hey, turn the key off. You don't want to drain the battery.
No way!
You put a dipstick back in. No way.
Hey, pull him out.
Pull back out.
No way!
Put a dipstick back in. No way.
Hey, pull him out.
Pull back out. Whoa!
The oil cap, he's still holding it.
Let it run. Let it run though. Don't let it die. Hey, you still got the dipstick? Yeah. Got dipstick? Check your dipstick, Jimmy.
Holy shit!
What?
The oil cap, he's still holding it.
Still got the dipstick. Let it run though. Don't let it die.
Hey, you still got the dipstick?
Yeah. You got dipstick? Check your dipstick, Jimmy.
Holy shit!
What the fuck? Yeah, boy. Got it right. Yeah.
How about you go that way? There's no way.
Air plug box is also still off.
Didn't you do this with your bike? No, it's not your bike.
Did you?
Absolutely no oil running on water.
Yeah.
It's got water in it.
Oh.
Water's
No,
a
I think you.
lubricant.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got 50-50 in it.
That thing idles better than mine.
No
Oh,
shit.
dude, it's so close. I'm gonna zoom in. Can you see it?
Absolutely no oil running on water.
Yeah. Oh.
Water's
No,
a
I think
lubricant.
Yeah.
Yeah, it's got 50-50 in it.
That thing idles better than mine.
No
Oh,
shit.
dude, it's so close. I'm gonna zoom in. Can you see it?
What?
Pull him back out.
Oh, this is great. I'm
me get
so
back
glad
out.
we came out tonight. Oh! No! That kills it? Like, really?
No, I bet you'll start again.
Now let's start again.
What?
Pull him back out.
Oh, this is great. I'm
me get
so
back
glad
out.
we came out tonight. Oh! No! That kills it? Like, really?
No, I bet you'll start again.
Now let's start again.
Hold out.
Damn, I gotta have to move again, huh?
Hey, hold up.
No, you're good. Just keep coming.
You're good.
I'm still in gear, that's why.
Keep going. Hey, keep going.
Thank you.